So here we are on the dashboard for this newly created account in Stella. The first thing that we're going to go do is add your business's Google location to it. So go ahead and click on settings. And then in this locations area here, go ahead and click on add new. The next thing you can do, if you come over to setup over here, you'll see there's five main things that you need to do to get started using Stella. The first one is going to be to add your location, which you can see it's grayed out because we've already done it. The second one is going to be to add your Google review link so your employees can use their QR codes. So if we click on that, it's going to bring us right back to the section we were in before. And all you're going to do is click on this red button that says add link. See it turns green when you hover over it. You click on that, and then you'll have this little pop-up here, which shows you how you can get the Google Business review link that you need. So all you're going to do is sign into your Google Business profile at business.google.com and click on where it says ask for reviews, and you'll see a pop-up like this one here. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in my own personal Google account. Type in business.google.com. It'll bring you over to your business profile, and then you're just going to click right here where it says ask for reviews. This pop-up come up, and then you're just going to copy this review link. You can that will copy it, and then you're just going to go back and paste it in that pop-up we were looking at a second ago on Stella. So you'll just come back over into Stella and then copy and paste your review link in there and click add. And then you can see here it changes to the link that you just pasted in. And then if you want to test it out, you just click on this little green checkbox here, and it will pop up your Google review, and then it will automatically pop up right where they can choose how many stars and the description, and then if they want to add any videos like that. From there, it's just totally a regular review. So I'm going to erase this one because it's not the correct one. You can go to the next things on the list, which would be to add a background image. When you add a background image, that is what will show up on the basically right beneath the QR code. So that'll look a little something like this. Once you add the background image in there, very simple, just click on that, upload your image, and then once you do that, it will save, and then it will be added to the QR code, and it will look a little something like this. So the next thing we're going to do is add some employees. If we come over to users, you can see right now the only user that's been created is the owner, the one that created the account. But from here, it's super easy to create new users. You're just going to click on this big blue invite user button, and then I'm just going to add these guys real quick. Okay, now that all these users have been added, each one of them, as soon as you add them, is going to receive an email that looks something like this. It'll show them their username, which is of course just their email, and it'll also show them the password that was automatically created for them. And then if they want to change that password, it's very easy. They can just go to the login link, click on forgot password, and it's going to send them an email. And just like any other software that you would use, it's going to ask you to type in a new password and then to confirm your new password. But it's very easy to change the password.
To log in, visit trystella.com and click on the hamburger icon in the top right. Click on Login and you'll be taken to your Stella portal login page. Enter the email and password that was given to you and click on Sign In. You'll land on the dashboard, which will show your total number of reviews, average rating, and a month-over-month chart for the past year. You can also see your more recent results. The QR code is unique for each employee and allows you to track which customers came from which employees. Employees can also take a screenshot of this page so they are not restricted by a cell phone signal. You can see all of the company's reviews as well as view the ones that you have been given credit for. The Profile tab contains the personal stats for the employee, and they can upload a profile photo that will display on the leaderboard. Whenever someone gets a review using Stella, the customer's name will show up in the Submissions tab. The submissions will show unverified if they have not been tied to a specific review. Go to the Reviews tab to match up your reviews to the submissions. Click on the Match button to choose from a list of submissions. You want to find a submission that matches the customer name on the review. Select the submission and click Match. The employee Kendra has now been given credit for that customer's review. If you see a customer review and you don't have a submission for them but you know the employee that deserves credit, you can ignore the submission drop-down and just select the proper employee. As you match the reviews to employees, you'll see the results reflected on the leaderboard located on your dashboard. You can also see the number of reviews each employee has on the employees table as well. Please reach out to hello@tristella.com for any questions.